Hey there, happy holidays. I absolutely love this time of year, and the holidays are here. So, I'm Jill Stoppel Davis, owner of Excel Wellness Studio here in Overland Park, Kansas. And I want to give you a run through. We have a lot of Black Friday week, it's a week now, specials starting Monday, November 25th, running through Tuesday, December 3rd. So, I'm going to give you a rundown. There's 9 specials we have going on. You're going to be seeing these in emails from me this week. But here we go. There's some great deals. If it is time to make yourself a priority and you really want to thrive in 2025, put your health and fitness first, feel more energetic and less stressed, hit those body composition goals, hit some strength goals, then I have some great deals for you that you're just going to want to jump in so we can kick off that new year. All right, first one, I am doing a BOGO. Buy one, get one. We have these really cool, they're like credit cards, $150 gift cards to Excel. You buy one for 150 bucks, I'm going to throw in that second one, no charge. So $300 for 150. Limit 2 per person. These are good towards any services or programs, challenges that we have coming up. They can be used at any time. They don't expire, but they cannot be used on current services. So this is for someone that you want to gift the gift of health and fitness to, or maybe you're a past client is ready to return. These are great, great gifts. Okay. The second thing we have is some specials on our in studio and virtual small group training program for women. We call it Max Burn Team Training. And if you've been looking for a really supportive community, you're not getting the results, you're not sure what to do in the gym, or you're intimidated, you're short on time, and you want to look and feel your best in the next year, this is for you. Okay, I have a really nice 30-day. You can come in and do it out for a month for $99. That's in studio. Okay, it's 4 days a week, 30-minute sessions. They're great. There's a lot more you get with that, but you're going to get some great jumpstart results in 30 days. It's a great way for you to really jump in and get restarted. If you don't live in Kansas City, I have the same virtual offer. We join you on Zoom, so we're actually coaching you in our max burn sessions, our 30-minute sessions. If you want to join us virtually from somewhere else, we have ladies all over the country doing that. It's $59 to do 30 days of that program. And we can talk more about it if it's a fit for you. Now, you want to come in and try a couple sessions and then make a decision. You're like, I really need to make some changes in 2025. You're going to want to lock into 3 months at 18% off of our Max Burn team training, that same program for $499. Paid in full, it'll get you 3 months of amazing results, but I only have 3 of those available. Okay. That's for, a new client that you're ready to come in and make some changes, or maybe someone that we haven't seen in a while that you used to join us in that program. Would be a great way for you to return. This is a fun one. So my 45-day Fit Mom Makeover Academy, the new year version will be starting at the end of January, January 27th. And I am offering 4 50% off passes to that program. It's 6 weeks of one-on-one small groups, tons of coaching with me, tons of accountability. You'll know exactly what to eat. We'll be doing your macros. I'll be teaching you simple ways to do that. We'll include your small group workouts. We'll be doing check-ins to make sure you're progressing. We do a weekly meeting via Zoom. You get access to me via Voxer. I'm like a coach in your back pocket, and I have 100% results with that program. So if you are ready to feel more energized, your body fat has been stuck, you're battling perimenopause and menopause, you're going to want to check this out. There is an application for that. So we jump on a quick call and make sure it's a fit, because I do limit the amount of women in that program. So hit me back if you want to talk more about the 45-day program. If you're stuck and frustrated, that's for you. We also do a cool thing here. We have key card memberships here at Excel. So I have 2 kinds. One is if you know your way around the gym, you've worked out, you've strength trained before, you're confident, but you want a smaller, more private, less intimidating, with high-end, nice equipment, clean environment, then we want to talk about the 12-month commitment. It's a key card access membership. If you do a 12-month commitment, I'm going to give you 25% off. So you just pay monthly. It's $59 a month plus tax. That's a savings of over $240. I only have 4 of those available. And then if you want a little bit more accountability, you want to have a program to follow, but you still want that key card access, but maybe your schedule's all over the place and you can't fit into our sessions, we have a VIP key card membership. It uses our smartphone app and we program your workouts. We set 3 workouts a week for you. You come in and do your thing in here. There's videos to follow along if you're not certain of the exercise. And then we do a weekly check-in and a monthly check-in with you on that. So 35% off 6 months of that unlimited VIP key card membership is $479. You're saving almost $300 by doing that, and only have 3 of those available. Again, those are custom monthly workouts, paid in full. You're going to drop body fat. You're going to break through those plateaus. It's really great. If you need something even more hands-off, we've got 2 more things left. We have now, it's called Excel Express Online. It's 100% online, follow along videos, a weekly check-in. They're 20-minute workouts 3 times a week. I'm offering 40% off for a year paid in full. So that's a savings of $80. It's $119 for a year of those express online workouts. And last but not least, we love our Aneva supplements here. This is my I call this my busy mom bundle, my liquid multivitamin, a really clean energy drink. All our Aneva supplements are 20% off now through December 3rd, whether I have it in stock or I need to order it. Cold Buster is a great one I use for my family going into cold and flu season. It tastes great. It's echinacea and honey and lots of great vitamins. And then of course, I always recommend to my fit moms, especially perimenopause, menopause, that creatine. Muscle is longevity. This helps us, along with strength training, hold on to and build that muscle. It helps with brain fog, clarity, immunity, energy. It's just a great, very well tested supplement that's easy to take. So 20% off all of those as well. Great deals. Check them out. They're all listed in this email. Reach out if you have any questions. If you want to see if it's a fit, if it is, great. We'll set you up with the best deal going into 2025. Happy holidays.